Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I want to tell you about something that is so exciting to me. It's SpinUp 2019.
You guys have traveled from all over the US, and we have one guy here from Israel. Where's Tal? He came all the way from Tel Aviv, near Tel Aviv, to be here with us today.
My goodness, what a perfect day for this. And let's give yourself a hand. Everybody, thank you so much. I met most of you. If I didn't meet everyone, please, let's get together later.
Remember to fly safely, follow the rules, those kinds of things. The social influence of what you have through your social connections is powerful.
When drones came around, all of a sudden now I've got the ability to put a camera in a place that I really had always dreamed of. I could see where I wanted the camera to be, and now I had the ability to do it as long as I had the skill to put that camera there in that place.
Now, I'm not going to assume things, but how many people are here because they want to create better online content? Anybody? Okay, a few fans. How many people are just here because they just want to meet and fly drones in a ballpark? Okay, cool, that's fine too.
If you can more efficiently do your video, you can more efficiently do your editing and all that. So mastering your tools, that comes to cameras, that comes to like your editing software, that comes to your computer, that comes to everything.
So I'm going to talk a little bit about welcome to the future, because from an engineer's perspective, I say this on the channel all the time, I'm blown away by the pace of technology and the level of technology we're dealing with today.
He's like, you need to be a YouTuber. And I was like, no. It's like, why would I do that? I'm not good on camera. I'm not good at speaking, blah, blah, blah. I had self-confidence issues, whatever. So that's really what got started. He ended up convincing me. I started doing it, and I was like, well, why not? I am in the process of starting a production company. I already have all the cameras. I already know how to do professional videography. And like somebody was saying earlier, is even if you are a video professional, YouTube still is hard. Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
So if you haven't heard of SpinUp, SpinUp is the event for the online drone community. We're talking about drone racing, we're talking about drone photography, we're talking about just drone hobbyists, professional Part 107 pilots, everybody coming together, meeting each other, sharing ideas, learning new things, interacting in real life. We did it last year in 2018, last December in Austin, and it was a huge success. We had 80 people there, and overall, I heard fantastic things about the event, that people really enjoyed it. They really enjoyed meeting people they had interacted with online for a long time. They enjoyed meeting YouTubers. They enjoyed meeting industry people. And they really just enjoyed the sort of community that it created. I want to replicate that this year, but make it even bigger and better in Austin again. So our date is October 19th. I've got a venue lined up. I'm putting speakers together right now. I'm putting together an agenda, and tickets are on sale. That's where you come in. If you go to dronespinup.com, you can take a look at some pictures from last year. You can take a look at what is happening, and I'll be updating that site, dronespinup.com, as we go along to announce new speakers, to announce new agenda items, to announce new sponsors. And by the way, last year DJI was a killer sponsor for us and gave us not only a whole bunch of DJI swag, including hats, pens, t-shirts, all kinds of stuff like that. They also gave us a Mavic 2 Pro, which I gave out to an audience member last year, and it was pretty awesome being able to give that away. I'm pretty sure DJI is going to be on board again this year, and I'm going for more sponsors so that we can have more stuff to give away. It was just a really fun and uplifting event to be able to give back to the drone community and really have everybody come together. So if you're interested in coming, go to dronespinup.com. Check out what's on the page currently, and check back frequently, because if you have questions, they will probably be answered over the next few weeks as I add to the agenda, add to the speakers, add to the sponsors, add to the logistics, and all that good stuff. It's October 19th in Austin, Texas. You can buy a ticket today. By the way, the ticket prices are stair-stepped. So right now, they're the cheapest they're going to be. They'll go up as we get closer to the event, and they'll go up even more as we get closer to the event. If you have questions about the ticket price, I just want to tell you that putting something on like this is not cheap. Between the venue, the food and beverage, the insurance that you need, the giveaways, the travel fee for some of the speakers. I mean, there's a lot of stuff that goes into this. And so understand that every dollar you put in is going to help put this event on and help make it a big success. So if you want to learn more about it, go to dronespinup.com. I hope I'll get to meet you at SpinUp this year in Austin, Texas on October 19th. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.